Hello guys, hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Dear sisters and brothers in God. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുമായി പങ്കുവയ്ക്കുന്നത് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. ലോകത്തിലുള്ള 90% ആളുകളും ഇപ്പോൾ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിനെ ആശ്രയിക്കുന്നു. കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറും ഒപ്പം ഇൻ്റർനെറ്റും നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഭാഗം തന്നെയാണ്. ഏതൊരു വ്യക്തിയുടെ കയ്യിലും ഇന്ന് സ്മാർട്ട് ഫോൺ ഉണ്ട്. ഇൻ്റർനെറ്റിലൂടെ ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കാനും അതുപോലെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കാനും ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത് പ്രധാനമായും ഡെസ്ക്ടോപ്പ് പബ്ലിഷിങ്ങിനെ കുറിച്ചും ഇൻ്റർനെറ്റിൻ്റെ പ്രാധാന്യത്തെക്കുറിച്ചുമുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സാണ്. നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. ലെറ്റ്സ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. Desktop publishing. Desktop publishing (DTP) packages are used primarily for designing and publishing professional-looking documents. They offer a wide variety of publishing applications. Typical applications include newsletters, advertisements, letterheads, reports, catalogs, books, brochures, forms, business cards, and magazines. User can enter and edit text directly or can input text created using a word processing program. Documents created in word processing programs can be imported into the DTP software. Once they are imported, we can manipulate the text or copy any way we want to satisfy our particular publication needs. Some common DTP programs are MS Publisher and Cure Express and Adobe PageMaker. The following are the features of desktop publishing. Type, styles and sizes. Type is classified according to its style of letter and size. We can choose a variety of type styles, typefaces and sizes to create impressive forms, letterheads, brochures and so on. Letter spacing and leading. We can adjust space both horizontally and vertically. Letter spacing refers to the addition of small spaces between letters within a word. Leading refers to the space added between lines of material. DTP layout. Layout involves arranging the text and graphics on the page. The text may flow from column to column on multi-column documents like the newspaper. You may have to move text from one part of a document to another using the electronic pasting features. You can incorporate illustrations on a page with text. Borders may be drawn around text or illustrations. Illustrations may be sized, made smaller or larger, and additional letter spacing and leading may be added to create a full page. Graphics. Desktop publishing packages have the capability to scan or import illustrations, graphics either from hard copy or from digital data. Personal finance software. Personal finance is the application of the principles of finance to the monetary decisions of an individual or family unit. It addresses the ways in which individuals or families obtain, budget, save and spend monetary resources over time, taking into account various financial risks and future life events. Components of personal financial might include checking and savings accounts, credit cards and consumer loans, investments in the stock market, insurance policies and income tax management. Intuit, Quicken, and Microsoft Money are some popular financial planning software. It is possible to print check from our computer and pay monthly expenditure with automatically scheduled online payments. Speech recognition software. Speech recognition software interrupts spoken words to create textile documents, or it can also be used to carry out computer commands. Simply put, it substitutes voice entry for keyboard entry. Speech recognition software can be a value tool in number of applications, especially for college students, executives, translators, transcribers, and those with special needs. The software is available in different languages. Speech recognition software requires complex coding algorithms because each person's style of speaking is unique. Foreign and regional accents, including various dialects, also affect the way words are spoken. This presents a real challenge to speech recognition software, which relies on matching the varied potential sounds of a spoken word to its written counterpart. For this reason, it is necessary for each user to train speech recognition software to recognize his particular style of speech. Speech recognition software can also be used to carry out commands that would otherwise be input through a keyboard. This can be especially helpful for those with disabilities that make using a keyboard difficult. Potential applications of speech recognition software are vast and varied. Dragon, naturally speaking, IBM, White Voice, and Philips Speech Magic are some of the most popular speech recognition software in the market. Microsoft has included speech recognition software into its new operating system, Windows Vista. Digital image editing software. Editing software packages helps to enhance the quality of photographs. This type of software enables to edit photographs and other images. Besides basic features such crop, resize, and adjust colors, advanced features like layers, masks, artistic filters, or art tools are included and offered by famous image editing software like Photoshop and Corel Paint. The aim of any image enhancement software is to improve the quality of the image for viewers. Digital cameras help people to take some of the most attractive photos. However, in many cases, even the best camera cannot give the perfect shot. That's where digital photography software comes into play. The digital editing photographs are usually taken with a digital camera and input directly into a computer. Transparencies, negatives, or printed photographs may also be digitalized using a scanner. Image editing software can be used to apply effects and warp an image until the desired result is achieved. The resulting image may have little or no resemblance to the photo from which it originated. Today, photo manipulation is widely accepted as an art form. Digital audio software. Digital audio software is typically used in recording, editing, finalizing a piece of music, voice-over work, or other audio recordings. These types of programs usually allow an editor to work with audio information and manipulate it in a number of different ways with music. This often involves cleaning up the audio quality of the music and making a more refined final product, while voiceover editing usually involves editing effects or putting different clips together to make a full audio project. A modern digital audio workstation typically consists of a Mac or a PC computer, an audio interface, and digital audio software supporting multi-track recording and monitoring. Sound waves that have been digitized are stored in the computer. Common digital audio formats are music CDs, MP3, WAV, and AIFF. Many CD players also play MP3 files. However, software-based players play the largest variety of audio formats. Digital music, or commonly known as digital audio, is a method of representing sound as numerical values. One of the most well-known physical sources of digital music is the compact disc. The basic principle of how this works is that a laser reads the surface of a CD which contains tracks and sectors. The information on the CD changes the reflected power of the laser beam, which is measured and decoded as binary data. These are non-physical sources of digital audio that use various encoding formats to store audio information. An example of digital audio file is an MP3 that you can download from the internet, listen to on your computer or MP3 player. Audacity is free, open source software for recording and editing sounds. It is available for Mac OS X, Microsoft Windows, GNU, Linux, and other operating systems. Digital video editing software. Most computer programs used as editing software would fall into a number of different categories. Video editing programs, for example, are used to edit and piece together various video files to create a longer or more refined final product. This type of software can also often be used to export the resultant video file onto a media format such as a compact disc or a digital Versalite disc DVD. Video editing software is now available for personal computers and workstations to manipulate video images. Video editing includes cutting segments, trimming, resequencing clips, and adding transitions and other special effects. Video editing is the process of manipulating and rearranging video shots to create new work. Editing is usually considered to be one part of the post-production process. Other post-production tasks are titling, color correction, sound mixing, etc. Maximum people use term editing to describe all their post-production work, especially in non-professional situations. The word editing to mean any of the following: rearranging, adding and or removing sections of video clips and or audio clips, applying coloring, color correction, filters and other enhancements, creating transitions between clips. Final Cut is a professional video editing program from Apple and the software of choice for most professional Mac users. Adobe Premiere Pro CS5 software offers a start to finish professional video production solution. Vegas Pro is the top video editing software from Sony. Drawing software. There are a number of different types of drawing software. These art-oriented software programs are designed especially for painting, drawing, coloring and creating original artwork. Although some of them are also offers tools for working with pre-existing images, the emphasis is on art and the creation process. Most of them have tools to mimic traditional artistic media such as oils, watercolors, acrylics, pencils, markers, crayons, chalks, pastels and felt pens. Many of them also offer a variety of unusual, non-traditional tools. Corel Painter is like a well-stocked artist studio without mess. There are also complete technical drawing and multi-purpose CAD software system that offers all the features required to create accurate professional drawings, working drawings, designs, plans, layout, and diagrams in a quick and easy mouse-driven Windows environment. This type of software much useful for work, home, education, and hobbies. Example: Vector Engineer Pro Tools. Tux Paint is free computer art software for children. Business software. Business software is generally any software program that helps a business increase productivity or measure their productivity. The term covers a large variation of uses within the business environment and can be categorized by using a small, medium and large matrix. The small business market generally consists of home accounting software and office suites such as Microsoft Office and OpenOffice.org. The medium size or SME has a broader range of software applications ranging from accounting, groupware, customer relationship management, human resources software, outsourcing relationship management, loan origination software, shopping cart software, field service software, and other productivity enhancing applications. The large segment covers enterprise level software applications such as those in the fields of enterprise resource planning, enterprise content management, ECM, business process management, BPM, and product life cycle management. These applications are extensive in scope and often come with modules that either add native functions or incorporate the functionality of third-party software programs. Factory accounting software was among the most popular of early business software tools and included the automation of general ledgers, fixed assets inventory ledgers, cost accounting ledgers, accounts receivable ledgers, and accounts payable ledgers, including payroll, life insurance, health insurance, state insurance, and retirement ledgers. Building on this early success with IBM, Hewlett-Packard, and other early suppliers of business software solutions, corporate consumers demanded business software to replace the old-fashioned drafting board. CAD/CAM software or computer-aided drafting for computer-aided manufacturing arrived in the early 1980s. In the early days, perhaps the most noticeable widespread change in business software was the word processor. Because of its rapid rise, the popular IBM typewriter suddenly vanished in the 1980s as the millions of companies worldwide shifted to the use of a word perfect business software. And later, Microsoft Word software, another vastly popular software program for business, were mathematical spreadsheet programs such as Lotus 123 and later Microsoft Excel. In the 1990s, business shifted massively towards globalism with the appearance of SAP software, which coordinates a supply chain of vendors potentially worldwide for the most efficient, streamlined operation of factory manufacture. Thank you very much all guys.